Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5 and this is the video presentation for task 1 and task 2. Introducing our team members.
Masa dah tak ada dah ni. Aduh. Tanya ni assignment nak kena buat. Sama pula call ni. Aduh. Hello. Ha. Ya, nanti. Saya siapkan. Wish. Tunggu lagi.
É só isso, meu baião, e não tem mais nada não. O meu coração pediu assim, só bim bom, bim bim, bim 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 bom, bim bom, bim 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 bim. É só isso, meu baião, e não tem mais nada não. O meu coração pediu assim, só bim, 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 bum, 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 só bim, bom, bim, bom, bim, bim. Bim, 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 bom. Bim, 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 bim. É só isso, meu baião, e não tem mais nada não. O meu coração pediu assim, só bim, 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 bom. Bim, 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 bim. É só isso, meu baião, que não.
Yay, Alhamdulillah. Move on to the explanation of task 1 and task 2.
Based on our findings through observation and survey, we analyzed the pink star that consists of 5 core customer and marketplace concepts related to our laundry service. First is the customer needs, wants and demands. For needs, IAUM female students have a need for laundry service to deprive them of their personal needs such as clothing and personal hygiene when they are too busy. Wants, they want a convenient and reliable solution to fulfill their need without wasting their time and energy. In terms of demands, there is demand for laundry service among the students where they are willingly to pay for extra services such as pickup and delivery. Next, customer value and satisfaction. We ensure that this laundry service provides high quality cleaning, convenience, affordability and reliability. We also offer perks such as loyalty customers, first-time customers, and free detergents. We are ensuring a premium laundry experience for customers by providing good services. In the concept of market offering, we offer service including washing, drying, and folding the clothes. We will handle the waiting process on their behalf. We also provide convenient options to choose from, either they want to pick up or doorstep delivery. We make sure to handle the clothes with utmost care and dedication. Based on our survey and observation, there is no competitors that provide the same laundry service. For exchange and relationship, we want to build strong relationship with customers by providing excellent customer service, address any concerns promptly, and personalize the experience whenever possible. This service involves transactional process where customers pay for the service and exchange monetary value for the convenience and quality service of laundry. We also want to maintain relationship with loyal customers by encouraging to give feedback so that we can implement their suggestions to satisfy their demands. Lastly, the market. During market research, we find the potential customers, which are IIUM female students who reside at level 4 and 5 and busy with extracurricular activities and classes that seek for convenient laundry service. We do market segmentation based on some factors which are geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral. For the type of customers primarily included to those who prioritize convenience, affordability, reliability, and high-quality service to meet their laundry needs.
Next is data collection and data analysis. We focus on two key methods of data collections, surveys and observation. Surveys involve asking people questions through Google Form, and observations are through watching and recording behaviors or events in Mahalla. This method helps us understand real-life actions and interactions. Based on our surveys and observations, there is a significant demand for laundry services among IIUM students, especially those living in Mahalla. An impressive 81.8% of respondents expressed the need for such a service due to factors like lack of time, convenience, and a general dislike for doing laundry on their own. Key features that students are looking for include pickup and delivery, affordable pricing, and high-quality service. Notably, 81.8% of students favor a pay-per-use payment model, highlighting the importance of flexibility in pricing. Interest in the laundry service is particularly strong among students at level 4 and 5, with 63.6% indicating that they would likely to use the service if it were available. Based on these findings, we recommend establishing a laundry service at IIUM that operates during afternoons, evenings, and weekends to accommodate students' schedules. The service should offer convenient features like pickup and delivery, maintain competitive pricing, and ensure high-quality, fast service. By addressing these specific needs, the laundry service is poised to be well received and widely used, significantly enhancing the comfort and satisfactions of our students.
Then, for our customer value-driven marketing strategy, to derive the strategy, we need to answer two questions. The first one is which customers to serve. To answer the question, we need to know our market segmentation and target market. For market segmentation, it divided into 4 factors that we need to pay attention, which are geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral. For geographic, we aim to do our service at IIUM Female Mahalla, and the targeted customers are those who are living in levels 4 and 5. For demographic, the gender must be female and the customer must be undergraduate student aged from 19 to 25 years old. For psychography, the lifestyle of customers that we want to focus on are busy students who prioritize important things over household chores like laundry, and the personality of our targeting customers are lazy students and prefer easy solutions. And lastly, behavioral. The benefits that our customer will looking forward in our laundry service are hassle-free laundry solutions with pickup and delivery options rather than traditional self-service laundromats. Then our targeted customers must also be regular users of laundry services, possibly weekly or bi-weekly, in which they may become loyal if they perceive the service to consistently provide good quality. And then, what type of customers that will give profit to us? First is butterfly customers. Just like butterflies seek out to the most attractive flowers, our customers seek out the laundry service that offers the best combination of convenience and quality. At EasyA Laundry, we can attract and retain butterfly customers with our comprehensive laundry services, which include washing, drying, folding, and doorstep delivery. Second is stranger customer. These individuals are unfamiliar with our services and may not use it repeatedly. However, as the first laundry service provided in IUM across female mahala, stranger customers may want to try our service as first-time users. EasyA Laundry will provide high-quality service that ensures clothes are well handled, clean, and returned in good condition. This will indirectly attract strangers customers or even the butterfly customers to become our loyal customers whom we will refer to as true friends. Therefore, from the market segmentation that I have explained before, the targeted customer for EasyA Laundry service are individuals with busy schedules of extracurricular activities and classes, specifically those residing in level 4 and 5 who refer Easy Solution and are looking for a convenient laundry service. And then, to answer the second question, how will we create value for them? Our positioning statement are too busy students, especially those who live in levels 4 and 5 who value their time more and want to avoid the hassle of doing the laundry themselves. EasyA is the first door-to-door laundry service provided in IUM across female mahala that goes beyond the conventional by not only washing clothes but also drying and folding them neatly upon return. Then, we differentiate ourselves by being the only service that provided washing, drying, folding, and delivering clothes to customers' doorstep, which includes free detergent and softener at IUM Female Mahala. This convenience will help our customers save time and energy by ensuring their laundry needs are met seamlessly while accommodating their preferences. Lastly, we position ourselves as a trendsetters in IUM by being the first door-to-door laundry service that being provided here, which cater to all female mahala.
Let us discover the insights of our vision, mission, and goals. Our vision is to become the best laundry service provider for IUM students, prioritizing commitment to convenience, quality, and customer satisfaction. These values are the core to our operations and growth strategy. Our mission focuses on two key aspects: simplifying lives and offering consistent quality service. We are dedicated to simplify the lives of IUM female students with hassle-free laundry solutions that save time and enhance convenience, and to be the choice of laundry service provider by IUM female students that offer a consistent quality service. And last but not least, our goal is to expand our offerings, which include additional convenience by enhancing features while maintaining a customer satisfaction rate of over 90% through consistent delivery of high quality service. Now let us dive into the 6 P's for our business: product, price, place, promotion, people, and process. The first P, product. In our case, service. Our service includes washing, drying, and folding clothes with detergent and softener provided in the package, leaving your clothes in a fresh and aromatic scent. Don't you worry, we also offer convenient pickup and doorstep delivery service. All you need to do is welcome fresh, clean clothes right at your doorstep. The service provided emphasizes on giving high-quality laundry service for the customer, where we would handle the clothes with utmost care and dedication. What makes us unique? EasyA Laundry is the one and only door-to-door laundry service provider in IUM Gombak. What about the price? Must be expensive. Nope, you got it wrong. We charge all the service from washing, drying, folding, and delivery for only 3 ringgit 50 cents, with washer and dryer cost paid separately. Our price is guaranteed affordable, student budget friendly, and would not break the bank at all.
Okay, now we go to the third P, which is place. Our laundry service is available within all IUM females mahala, making it accessible to all IUM female students, especially those living on higher levels. Okay, next for the fourth P, which is promotion. We use 2 types of blended promotion tools to create awareness among our target market about our service. They are sales promotion and direct digital marketing. For sales promotion, we offer a special discount to our first 10 customers to attract them. And for direct and digital marketing, we spread ads through all IUM WhatsApp groups. Okay, so for the next P is people, where our team consists of friendly and customer-oriented workers who will entertain our customers with utmost friendliness. Additionally, the workers are well-trained and skilled in handling all types of laundry with care and precision. Lastly, the sixth P is process, where our process is very easy for customers and not complicated. The ordering process is only through WhatsApp with multiple payment methods up to customer's choice like QR, online transfer, or even cash. We provide updates about our service from time to time and offer a simple feedback mechanism through WhatsApp for continuous improvement of our service for everyone.